Learn English. Offering help with, "Do you need help?" or "Can I help you?" Hello, learners. Welcome to another English language learning video. In today's lesson, we will focus on offering help using the phrases, "Do you need help?" and "Can I help you?" Offering assistance is a polite and helpful gesture, and it's important to know how to express it correctly in English. So, let's dive in. Before we start using these phrases, let's understand their meanings and contexts. The phrase, "Do you need help?" is a straightforward way to ask if someone requires assistance. It can be used in various situations, such as when someone appears to be struggling with a task, when they look lost or confused, or when they seem to need support. On the other hand, "Can I help you?" is a polite way to offer assistance. Instead of directly asking if someone needs help, this phrase suggests that you are available and willing to assist. It's commonly used in customer service situations or when offering aid to someone you don't know well. Both phrases convey the same intent, but "Can I help you?" is considered slightly more formal and polite. Now, let's see how we can use the phrase, "Do you need help?" effectively. 1. Introduce yourself politely. Begin by using a polite greeting, such as, "Excuse me," or "Pardon me," to get the person's attention. For example, "Excuse me, do you need help?" 2. Use a clear and friendly tone. When asking the question, make sure to use a friendly tone to show your willingness to assist. Remember, a smile can be heard in your voice. 3. Be ready to offer specific assistance. If the person accepts your help or expresses their needs, be prepared to ask follow-up questions. For instance, "What can I do to assist you?" or "Is there something specific you need help with?" Remember, offering help is an act of kindness, and it's essential to respect the person's boundaries. If they decline your offer, it's perfectly fine. Thank them for their response and move on. Now, let's explore how to use the phrase, "Can I help you?" effectively. 1. Approach politely. Just like before, begin with a polite greeting to get the person's attention. For example, "Good morning, sir. Can I help you with anything today?" 2. Express availability and willingness. Use the phrase, "Can I help you?" to show that you are ready and eager to assist. This lets the person know that you are approachable and open to providing support. 3. Use body language. Accompany your words with appropriate body language, such as a friendly smile, open posture, and attentive eye contact. These non-verbal cues help convey your sincerity and willingness to help. Congratulations! You've learned how to offer help using the phrases, "Do you need help?" and "Can I help you?" Remember, using polite expressions is crucial when interacting in English, and offering assistance is a wonderful way to show kindness and empathy. Keep practicing these phrases in real-life situations, and you'll become more confident in using them naturally. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning videos. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your language journey.